Look at that. Man, it is snowing balls, man. I'm trying to make a turn in the road right now. Oh, come on, baby. Whoa. I don't know what's behind me. That's the.
Off. I got one. I'll put your phone down and drive.
All right. Here we are, going right into the snow, blowing right in our face. This is going to be impossible to see going down this mountain.
Oh, there's a pole right in front of you.
Right in front of me. I'm in the middle of the road. I can see. Look at our tracks already covered up.
There's a pole right there beside us, Goober.
Okay,
But
and
you're not in the road if you're freaking next to the pole.
the pole is 15 feet off to the side of us.
Yeah, sure.
You can't even see the car tracks where we drove up here.
We
We just drove through here, and the tracks where we came up are already gone. Man, look at that. Amazing. Through all that deep snow, we just put massive tracks through it, and they're already blown over. Already filled up. There it is. There's the tracks right there where we came up. And there's already 6 inches of new snow back in it.
I told you.
Unbelievable.
Snowing an inch a minute.
Wow.
Okay, get out of that heaping pile before you get stuck.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, we've been up here 15 minutes and it's already blown up. The marks, our tire tracks, covered up. Man, I want to live up here so bad. That wind is blowing the truck backwards. I am just letting it coast down the hill right now, down off this mountain. And the wind is slowing us down. Yeah, that's about nearly a foot of snow on the road right here. Boy, it didn't look that deep coming up, but now that I see the tire marks, yeah, that's at least 6-8 inches out there. Amazing how quick that filled in. I mean, look at that, man. I don't know how this two-wheel drive vehicle got up this mountain. Look at this. That is incredible. We didn't even slip at all. Didn't slip or slide. Look how big the tracks are. Is that crazy? We look like we have freaking gigantic tires on this thing. Wow. Yeah, man. It's getting close to a foot of snow on the road. Yeah. And Eagle Summit's way worse than 12-mile most of the time, so I can't even imagine what it must be like out over at 12-mile or Eagle Summit. You gotta go. Look at this. Look how deep that snow is right there on that guardrail. Holy jeez! I don't know how the hell we got up there. I really don't. We didn't slip or slide one time either. Unbelievable. Look at that. The drifting over the guardrail right there. Come summertime, springtime next year, that whole corner right there will be a big wall 20 foot high of nothing but snow. Man, look at them drifts. Incredible. Gosh, I wish it would snow like this in Fairbanks.
It does. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it snows like this every now and then.
Got 18 inches in 24 hours, remember?
We got a 90-mile trip back to Fairbanks in this weather.
And it's 8:36.
What time is it?
8:36.
Yeah, we'll be home by 10 o'clock.
Yeah, well that's an hour and a half past my bedtime.
Oh, you baby.
You don't get up at 4:30 with me.
You don't either.
Yes, I do. Last 3 mornings I have with
Look at this. I'm cutting up and it's so much snow it's stopping my truck from spinning out. Uh-oh, can't stop. We're sliding. We're out of control!
Put your phone down.